In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete rows and columns in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll feel confident removing any unwanted row or column without disturbing the rest of your data. Start by opening your Google Sheets document. Give it a moment to load so you can see all your tabs and data clearly. It helps to quickly scan your sheet and make sure you know exactly which part you want to remove, especially if other data relies on it. Next, select the row or column you want to delete. For a row, click the gray row number on the far left. For a column, click the letter at the top. This is important. Don't just click a single cell. You want the entire row or column highlighted, which tells Sheets you mean the whole thing. You'll see the selection stretch across the sheet for a row, or from top to bottom for a column. Now, right-click directly on the row number or the column letter to open the context menu. If you're using a trackpad or a device without a dedicated right-click, use your device's equivalent gesture or menu to bring up that same list of options. You should see a compact menu with actions relevant to rows and columns. If you're removing a row, choose Delete Row. If you're removing a column, choose Delete Column. Pick the option that matches your selection. The wording is clear, and you'll notice the command refers to the exact row or column you clicked, so there's no confusion about what's going to be removed. As soon as you click, the selected row or column will be removed from your sheet. The data around it will shift to fill the space. For example, if you delete a row in the middle of a table, the rows below move up. If you delete a column, everything to the right shifts left. That's expected and can be useful for tidying up your layout. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Before you delete, double-check that the correct header, the number for a row or the letter for a column, is highlighted. This prevents accidental removal of the wrong section. And if you change your mind, you can undo right away to restore the deleted row or column. Finally, repeat the same steps for any other rows or columns you want to clean up. That's all there is to it. Open your sheet, select the row or column via its header, right-click, and choose Delete Row or Delete Column. Clean, simple, and effective.